Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here to share my smash book of 2022 and the beginning of 2023. So let's start. I started this actually in January last year, so I kind of did a whole year. It is gator mouth for sure. I think after 2023's, I'm going to come up with a different idea, so it's not so gator mouth. But I like that the cover's hard. Now, I probably don't do the typical smash book like everybody else probably out there has. But I just kind of, like I started this January 20th of last year, 2022's. And I started reading the Van Gogh book, which I'm still reading. It is such a long book. So I did like a little layout of Van Gogh. Did some receipts, some of my drawings. Had these made and got them for my birthday. Wrote about it, doodled, just little odd things here, like bingo numbers that Joe gave me, Riley gave me that sticker, some little drawings from the kids, little note from Riley that she left me, little drawings. Coda, he spent the weekend with us. So I did a picture of Coda, and then a little message from Dawn I screenshotted for some reason on February. Teresa's birthday celebration. Riley started doing these little, I bought these little kits, a fashion one and a makeup one at St. Vincent de Paul, and told her she couldn't use it on herself, but they came with these little faces. And I dated them all, every one she gave me. So they're through of the book. I got Riley's art. Coda did a monster truck with Papa. He spent the weekend with us. And then this was a certificate of achievement. It was a joke. And then I had the girls. And then I got some drawings that Allie did me, and then Allie did that. Just some big scribble game that me and Allie played, bingo numbers. This is about the invasion of Russia. I also put a little bit of things that are going around in the country in here. So this is all about that. And I kind of wrote my feelings about it. Then we went out for breakfast. And there's some of my, things I colored. This is my birthday gifts, and some birthday cards, little drawings. This is Diamond getting accepted and Sosalia getting accepted into college. Just some little dinners, people in my life. A box I got from Sabrina, fortune cookies, little notes. See, this one is from Helen. And then it was off her envelope. This is from Teresa. I made the tag. This is from Teresa. Put them in here. This is from Bima. Friendship bracelet. This is about me on my birthday finding out I might have to move. This is Kevin, is Diamond's neighbor that passed away. I put his obituary in here. Riley made me a flower. I got a little cards in here. Some more receipts. Little drawings. This is our birthday dinner, because my birthday, Riley's birthday, and Scott's birthday is all in 1 month. So we pick a date and we go to our favorite restaurant. And this is us celebrating it. This is my Van Gogh. I redid my bathroom in Van Gogh. These are some, I don't know why I saved the bananas. And this is some images I colored and some little fortune cookies. And this is a gift tag. These are from a box of stuff I got in the mail. Allie went to her first concert, So Diamond sent me the pictures, and I put it in here and wrote about it. I had Riley, and I had Coda. I didn't take a picture of Coda that night, but I got a makeover from Riley, and then Allie fell asleep. This is her picture. She also fell asleep at the concert. I don't know how she managed that, but then that's on the way home. Then I just fell and cracked my screen to my tablet. And my husband bought me a new one. This is a made by Allie, the Northern Lights drawing. Got some stamps that I came across my computer fund, where I started to buy my computer. Yeah, it wasn't a good month. I might have had to move. I cracked my screen, my computer started almost dying. So I started a fund, and that's the paperwork for it. Here's me getting a computer. I had more room here, but here's my new computer. Had the Grands, and this is my stuffed animals of childhood. And this is his brother I found years later at Goodwill. So I have both of them. And Riley forgot her blankie as well as her stuffy animal. So I borrowed her Snoopy. And I wrote about that. And then me and Coda being cool with headbands. Coda was in this thing, always had to have a headband on. So I thought it was funny. Diamond's Easter dinner, upside down cake, the grandkids. And then I laughed, we had Easter dinner, and then they all talked me out of Doritos. It's funny. This is the kids back, blessed to the past at school. Coda, Riley. My Mother's Day. Allie's chorus concert, and this is the pamphlet from it. So pretty. And I found this note on my table after Riley left in May. I want to say that's May. Yeah, May. This is the color run they do for school. It's a family event. So then we record the sad of the shooting at Velders. Yeah, Velders, right? May 24th. Yeah. So that, and I even got the picture of the teacher who got killed, and then her husband died a few days later. I put that in there, and I always get something off about it, so that later on, when my grandkids or great grandkids read these, they can actually have an actual event. The Johnny Depp trial, me and Scott Pokemon hunting. Yes, Scott and I go out Pokemon hunting. We've done it for years. So Leah's graduation. It's her little pamphlet to give you. Sorry. Oh, excuse me. Oh, that came from left field. This is my front yard. I didn't have to move. Thank the Lord. Thank you. And my new landlord, I had these ugly bushes. They look like this. There was 3 of them. I hated them. So I asked him if I could take them out, and he said, go for it. So this is how it kind of started. I wish I forgot to take the picture when they were all 3. But there's plenty of videos of my outside door. So this is what it looks like now. That is a lamp that I altered to make an outdoor ornament. Coda's birthday weekend. He got disc golf when we went disc golfing. And then he made a fort. I always let him make a fort. I have a reclining couch where 2 ends recline. He puts them up, he puts blankets, and he makes a fort. This is Allie and Diamond going to a protest. I had a Riley do her hands. And if you look at the beginning when I did her first art page, she's improved putting makeup on these little things. So I think it's cute that she keeps giving them to me. She even put freckles on this one. And then she made this emoji face for me. And then we go to the Queen passing away. And then King Charles. So I got some off the Google or Wikipedia. Put that in there. And then we go to Halloween. And I got a Halloween card and a trading card. And then this is my front yard at Halloween. And then the Grands. This is Fall Fest on Broadway. We went. And then This is Allie. She had to join a punk contest, and she won first place, actually. She did Harry Potter. And then they went to Terror on Fox. And then it's the Carbon Pumpkins. And then it's actual Halloween. Me and Riley. She was Little Red Riding Hood. I was the grandma, and Athena was the bad wolf. This is Scott being in hospital. Sorry about that word. And the text message he sent me, his armband, I took a picture of him. This is a letter to Allie because she's going through she's binary. So I didn't understand it, so I wrote a book and I wrote her a letter. Kids at school pictures. And every fall, since Allie was born, I have a picture of her and some leaves, and then I moved to Coda, and then all three. And then we do it every year. This is Spirit Day at school. Allie was Zoom business meeting, and Riley was a teacher in Coda. He didn't want to do it. That's why there's no picture of Coda, and I even noted that. This is a night of tree lighting, and for some reason, I went with them, and the picture of me and the kids was so dark, so I couldn't. This is the kids Sam and Coda going out hunting. I went and visited my mom at the cemetery and gave her Christmas present. We took my father-in-law to a restaurant that him and my mother-in-law went to. Father's Day we were supposed to go, and we did a rain check, and it's like June, all of a sudden it turned into November. So this is a high-end restaurant. So Diamond, Sam, and I joined us. We took Dad there for Father's Day as well as his birthday, which is in November. And then I kept getting these little pictures of the girls, and the boys were out hunting, the girls were having a makeup day. Boys are out hunting again, so Rue is giving Allie and I makeovers watching Enchanted Descendant Girls Day Part 2. So that's Part 2. So this is the pictures they sent me. Thanksgiving. Then we go into Christmas Eve. And, actually, this is Coda's Christmas concert right here. I'm going to outline that. Then it's Christmas Eve. And then Christmas Day, Santa was caught on their camera in their house. This is my favorite picture of all season. This is Coda sitting in the window waiting for Papa and I to come. And then here it is a tag. I don't know who made me this. If you recognize this and this is you, please let me know so I can put your name on it. This is the Waukesha Christmas Parade. It's the outcome. I have that in here. I just kind of have it slipped back here because that's where newsworthy to put in here. And that is year 2022. Now, the start of 2023's, and I should put 2022. It's in the inside as well, but still. I'm going to put it on the side as well. 2022. Okay. There we go. The start of 2023's. It's just another Smash book I bought. In fact, I bought it off female sale. I like that it has the plastic cover, but I'll probably end up having to remove that. Happy New Year 2023. I had the girls overnight. Coda was at a buddy's house, and Diamond each bought them a bottle of grape juice to bring in the New Year, and I took pictures of them. And then we had just a crafty New Year's Eve. And there's me crafting and the girls crafting. And then we go over here, and Allie's made Student of the Month. And I have the little thing that's posted about how she made Student of the Month. And it says, one super smart cookie. Allie is Student of the Month. Not only Allie, a 3.87 grade point average student, but they follow the Seymour School District Code. They are amazing friend, excellent worker, kind to everyone. Alex. She goes by Alex, by the way. Alex includes in everyone and makes sure to help those that struggle. We have nominated Alex as our Student of the Month for all these reasons and more. We are, and then Diamond wrote, we are very proud of our rock star. You have always thrived in school. You always been kind of old soul. I am so excited to see what your future has in store for you. You are our baby. And are going to be go so far in life. I can't wait to see you set the world on fire. And then they get a sign, and it sits in their front yard. Then Diamond and I went to the Michelangelo 16 Chapel of the exhibit. Awesome. Beautiful. And that's it. So far I'm in. So I enjoy doing little pages like this because my legacy right here is like journaling this way when I'm my grandkids, and the kids like grabbing them and looking. And I can imagine in my head 40, 50, maybe I'm 20 years from now, 40, 50, whatever, and I may be gone. And maybe it's Allie's children that are looking to it. Oh my God, look at Mama. She was Student of the Month in January of 2023. So, okay, Nana went to the art exhibit. So that is kind of why I do this, so they can go back and look at it. So I want to thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed these. To another year, 2023, everybody. Happy New Year. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.